Good morning, Karissa. I'd like to go over a little bit more with the math today, since you're going to be doing more before I can talk with you this afternoon. I'm going to look at the one that you tried, and I really appreciate that you tried. You did 8/10, and what you did is you found that 2 went into this one. That was good. And you made that a 4. You said, how many 2's go into 8? 4. And then down here, you said 5 could go into it. Now, that's smart. 5 can go into that. But these two have to match. They have to be matched. So, can, instead of the 5, even though the 5 can go into it, bless me, but 5 can't go into 8. 2 can go into 8, and guess what? 2 can go into 10 also. So instead of, let's say, how many 5s go in there, let's see how many 2's go into 10, okay? And make sure that when you do the top, bless me, the answer to that stays on top. And when you do this bottom one, the answer to that stays on the bottom. So the new answer is 4/5. You had 4 over 2, I think. I can't remember. It was something like that. But this is correct, okay? Then you didn't do the 6 and the 9, so we're going to do that together, okay? So that you can remember how to do this. Now, the rule is, so 6 over 9, go to the smallest number, 6. We're going to go to the smallest number and say, is there a 6 and a 9 in here? No. Go to the next one, 6 and 9. This as in smaller, because we want to go same number of the smallest number or smaller. 6 and 9, no. 6 and 9, no. 6, yes. See, they have to have both numbers in the same number, which is 3. 3 can go into both of them. So I'm going to put divide by 3, because remember, whenever you divide by the top, it has to be able to be divided by the bottom, or it doesn't work. It's not equivalent. You can do it, but it's just not equivalent. So how many 3's go into 6? How many 3's go into 6? 2. How many 3's go into 9? 3. So the new answer is 2 over 3. Now, we got 7 to 11. Let's go to the smallest number, and see if there's a 7 and 11. Nope, 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 nope. That means it has to stay the same. Nothing can go into both of them, so it just stays the same. 7 11 is still the right answer. So hopefully you follow that. That's going to happen again. Now let me show you this one. When you see these, I can do this one. They want you to do the greater than, less than, or equal to. Now, if they have the same bottoms, you don't have to do any changes. If they have the same bottoms, then just decide, is 1 or 5 bigger? 5's bigger, so you're going to make it go that way, right? You're going to eat the big number. But the bottoms have to stay the same, be the same. Now here, the bottoms are not the same. So I think what they want you to do is take the one that's bigger, 14, and I think they're going to let it be reduced nice and easy for you. They're not going to make you think too hard yet. Eventually, you will have to think hard. But let's go ahead and take that 4/14. Since it's not the same as a 7, take the bigger one, and we're going to reduce it. So we're going to take the 4 and the 14. I'm going to go to the smallest number. Smallest number. 4, and looking for 4 and 14. That's 4, but not 14. No 4. This has a 4 and a 14, so that is a 2. A 2 can go into both of them. So remember, it has to be the same number, top and bottom, that you're dividing by. So how many 2's go into 4? Oops. 2. How many 2's go into 14? 7. So now the new answer is 2 over 7. Now I got to write that over here. Now this 4/14 is 2 over 7. compared to 3 over 7. So we put 3 over 7. Now the bottoms are the same, so I can compare them. Now if they're the same, I just see which one's bigger, 2 or 3. This one's bigger, so I'm going to have to eat the big number. Okay? So when you see those, and you will in today's assignment, of course, plussing and minusing, they're the same still. You know how to do this one. I want you to do it. This is saying which number to put into each one of them. Just remember, when you divide by 2 on top and bottom, make sure the top number stays on the top and the bottom number stays on the bottom. Here's where they want you to reduce. This is just strictly looking at your chart and see which one has 5 and 15, starting with the 5. Going low, same here. Start with the 5, go lower, see if they have 5 and 8. Then this has the same bottom number. Okay, so go and do that. Well, when you get to it, you know. This has the same bottom numbers. You don't have to decide. Just look at what's bigger, 4 or 2. 12 and 4 do not have the same. So take this 12 and 3 over 12, and go look and reduce. See, starting at the 3 and see if they which one has 3 and 12 on it. This one's not the same, so go to the 6. Take the 4 and the 6, starting with a 4, and find your 4 and 6 until you have the right one, and then reduce it. Then compare, okay? I want you to try. I want you to try. All right. That's all I'm going to have for today's Help with Math.